Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign on how you can do that on your Uber app. All you have to do in the first, you just go down here, click on account down here. So then when you click here on account here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You scrolling down here, click here on settings. So then when you click here on settings here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You just scrolling down here, click here on communications. So then you could click here on push notifications here until you will find their products updates and news. Click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean it's enabled with us now here. Click in this sign. We will go back, click on save changes, then it's going to save with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.